I'm not about to sit here for an hour and do my wig when I can do it in 20 minutes.
Don't you have time for anything else that be on your mind? Long as you got your cars and doors to drive, I should've known I couldn't get your time.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zahria, if you don't know me. In today's video, I'm showing y'all how to install your wig in 20 minutes, under 20 minutes. Period. It's just so funny because I'm the friend who will really take forever getting ready, but ever since I've discovered this really quick way to put my wigs on, I'm still the friend that takes the longest to get ready, but it's just faster now. I like to use this method when I have to hurry up and go to work, or I'm just pressed on time and I don't have an hour to sit down and install my wig. Also, I go to the gym very frequently now, at least 4 times a week, and my wigs do not stay on, and I'm not about to be sitting down taking an hour to install my wig every day. Who about to do that? Not me. So anyways, that's basically what this video is about. I'm gonna be teaching you guys the quickest way to install your frontal or closure, whatever type of wig you got. And yeah, this has changed the game for me, so I'm pretty confident that it's gonna change the game for you too. Real quick, I do want to give a shout out to Yolissa Hair. This is a repeat sponsor. Period. I love when they come back. I love it. I actually have never been disappointed with any of Yolissa Hair's wigs. The quality of their wigs is top tier, okay? I'm happy with it. Real quick, the specs on this wig, I'm probably gonna tell you again at the end, I don't know. But in case I forget, the wig is P4. I think that means piano 4, cause a piano. I don't know, but it's P4, 613 body wave, 13x4 transparent lace, 26 inches and 200 density. So that's all of the specs on this wig. Of course, there will be a direct link below for you to shop if you want it. And I think that's pretty much all I have to say to y'all. If you're interested in knowing how to install your wig in under 20 minutes, then keep watching. Please remember to like this video if you like this video. Comment below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, that's pretty much all I got to say, so let's get into it. Okay y'all, so I started with a ball cap. Typically with this method, I wouldn't do a ball cap because I really only do a ball cap when it's glue. But because the hair is blonde, I did a ball cap just in case, I probably really didn't need to, but just in case you could see my hair through it. That's the only reason why I did a ball cap, but you really don't have to do a ball cap if you're doing black hair, So yeah, shout out to Yolissa Hair again for sponsoring this video. Let's get into the install. So I'm gonna start my timer and we're gonna see how long it takes me. I really like to do this type of install whenever I'm in a rush, which is really all the time. I do this all the time, you guys. So yeah, I'm just putting my wig on and making sure that it's kind of sitting where I want it to sit, and then I'm just gonna roll it back. And the product of the day, this is the star of the show right here. This is the Eben Lace Bond. That's what it's called, right? Eben Wonder Lace Bond. It's an adhesive spray. So it's not really glue, it's an adhesive spray. So that's basically what I'm gonna be using. And I'm just gonna spray it on my forehead. And once I spray it, I'm gonna blow dry it just to dry that first layer. So it's pretty sticky. I'm gonna do maybe 2 more layers, and then we're gonna lay the wig down. This is literally the quickest way to put your wig on. I'm telling you, this has saved my life, okay?
Come with a classic, they come around years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are real, the petty is real. I just write for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Leticia, or Linda Felicia. She gave me twice, I didn't even know for her once. You know I'm a pleaser. 42 millimeter was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeshiva. You went to Ibiza. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeezy. I need me some Jesus. As soon as I started confessing my sins, he wouldn't believe us. I got sins on my mind and some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love with you, girl.
So now I'm just gonna pull the wig forward and basically lay it into the hairspray, just like how I would if I was gluing it down with a lace glue. And I'm just gonna press it in exactly where I want it to kind of lay. And now we're gonna cut the lace. So typically this is where I would, tie my lace down so it can melt. We not doing all that. We just cutting the lace And then if it needs to melt at the end a little better, then we'll do that. But you know, we're obviously pressed for time, so we cutting the lace. We cutting the lace now. And it's okay if it's not like laying all the way down, because obviously we could just spray it and, you know, secure it a little better. I usually only do this when I'm like reusing a wig. I don't really do this on like new wigs. So the lace is usually like already cut. It'd be so hard to like do this and talk at the same time. Okay, so we basically got what we needed. I'm actually, I don't know where I just put them scissors. Oh, they were on the floor. I'm gonna cut this a little bit. Okay, so now we're just gonna basically just like respray down the additional pieces, and then we're basically gonna be done. So I'm back taking the same spray that I used before, and I have my blow dryer nearby so I could like blow dry it down like immediately. And I spray and then immediately blow dry after. Make sure you put it on the cool setting so you don't burn your face, because I do that all the time. Okay, period. So now I'm just gonna use my Got2b to kind of melt this lace down a little bit better. Actually, I lied. I'm gonna part it first just because I feel like that would be faster. And I'm gonna part it down the middle. I'm not even gonna lie, I didn't even know the hair was gonna be blonde, but that's my fault for not paying attention. When I tell you that package came, I'm gonna use my wax stick, by the way, just to lay this part down. But yeah, that package came and I opened it up and I said, jump scare. Like, I did not know this hair was about to be blonde. I'm gonna heat up my hot comb on the side while I get my part together. I haven't had blonde hair in so long. And just real quick, like a time reference, we are just over 10 minutes and my hair is like already almost done. I just need to like melt the lace, fix my part, you know. So I'm just gonna use my wax stick I always use my wax stick anytime I'm like doing any type of part. It just makes it way more like flat. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my Got2b glued hairspray and I'm gonna spray this on my lace. I'm gonna blow dry it a little bit just because it's still lifting a little bit. And then I'm gonna tie it down, but you'll see. And I'm gonna just put a little more just on the lace. I feel like, what's this called? Got2b is like really good at just like melting your lace. So I like to spray it on my lace and then basically just tie it down. So I'm gonna use an elastic. I don't even know if this one's wide enough. So yeah, I'm gonna tie this down and I'm literally just gonna let this sit for like 30 seconds. It really don't even have to be that long, to be honest. Normally, I guess when I'm like doing my regular wigs, I'll probably do it for like a minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. It really just depends on how I'm feeling, but obviously we're in a rush right now, so I'm gonna do it for like 30 seconds and we're gonna take it off. Matter of fact, we're actually gonna make use of our time and put some makeup on this part because I'm just not feeling it. So I put some concealer on my hand and I'm just gonna put it right in the part. Okay, now I'm taking this thing off. If I can figure out how to untie it. Okay, and I'm basically done, but obviously we could still see some white on the lace. So I'm about to add some makeup, some concealer to it. Cause sometimes you just gotta finesse, okay? And that is it, y'all. And once I stop the timer, y'all can see I did that in 19 minutes. Period, okay? We moving quick, fast. I'm talking, this is literally what I do when I have to go to work, or like if I'm just rushing at any point and I don't have time to sit down for an hour and like glue my wig on and just do that whole process. I'm using hairspray, like, or lace bond, I guess is what it's called. Like, I'm not about to sit here for an hour and do my wig when I can do it in 20 minutes. Especially too when it's colors like this. Like, I don't wear color wigs that long. So if I'm just gonna wear it for like a day, 2 days, whatever, then I'm gonna just probably like use the hairspray, you know? It's not only just good for like a quick install, but it's also good for if you know you're not gonna wear your wig that long. It's not gonna last as long as glue. You know, glue, you can have your hair for like a week, 2 weeks, however long, depending on you. Before I go real quick, I'm gonna give you guys the specs on this wig. I probably did that in the beginning, but I'm gonna do it again real quick. So it is a 613 body wave unit. It's 13x4 transparent lace. And it's 26 inches and 200 density. Y'all know I love a 200 density wig. Anything below 200, I don't want it. Okay, I just love like a thick wig, you know? Real quick like review on the wig. I do really love how soft it is. It was very easy for me to like flat iron on the wig head. It's very soft and like flowy, like stiff wear. I think the only thing I don't like about the wig is like the, I don't know if they call it like the piano, or did I just make that up? I don't know. But like, I'm not like, I like highlights, but I don't like the piano type of highlights where it's like a strip, a strip, a strip. Like, I don't know, but that's probably just me. That's probably just personal preference, to be honest. But I'm definitely probably gonna like dye this hair because I do really like the hair. So I'm probably just gonna make it all one color, like all one blonde maybe. But if you like highlights, if you like these type of highlights, girl, then this wig is for you. But yeah, it was very easy to style, very easy to install, and girl, you could put it on in 20 minutes. Like, girl, you better run and get everything you need to do your wig in 20 minutes, because I just feel like this just changed the game, you know? But anyways, I'm not gonna keep rambling. Shout out to Yolissa Hair for sponsoring this video. I love a repeat sponsor. I worked with Yolissa Hair in the past, and I'm always very happy with the quality of their units. They do not disappoint. And real quick, I do want to show you how long the wig is. So I'm gonna stand up. So as you can see, this hair is like really long. It's literally going like to my butt. I love me a long wig, okay? Period. Anyways, remember to like this video if you like this video. Comment below if this was helpful to you. If you're gonna try it out and see if you can do your wig in 20 minutes. Matter of fact, try it and tell me how long it took you to do it. Because I really want to know if this worked for y'all. I've been doing this for a minute, so maybe that's why it was 20 minutes for me. But I want to know if it works for y'all. And then, of course, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.